Unemployment insurance fraud, I already kind of talked about that, because if you're getting a 1099-G and you didn't get tax and you didn't get any unemployment, this is a problem. It might come from out of state, even, because a lot of people out of state are still going to use your Social Security number. I know in my office here, many of we got notice that some of my employees were on unemployment, but we knew that they were not on unemployment. So we had to go about and try to fix that. Not an easy thing to fix. But again, you got to be vigilant, because you will be audited if you don't include it with an explanation. Again, you can include it with an explanation. Don't just ignore it, though. Any financial tax information, address it. Okay, identity-related fraud, employer-related collusion, misrepresentation of income fraud, fictitious employer-employee fraud, insider fraud. So these are the kind of things that are out there. They again, every year it's similar, but this year more. Because there's a lot more government money being doled out to people who just claim it, and the government wanted to get the money out to people, and by getting the money out to people, what happened was they overlooked some. They let some fraudulent stuff go by, and when they let the fraudulent things go by, innocent people are trapped, because somebody's using your Social Security number. Somebody's saying that you're getting the money, and in fact you're not getting the money. Same thing with stimulus money. Same thing with all of this government money that's going out there out the door these days, right? People are claiming it. It's all fraud. It's not all fraud, but there's lots of fraud out there, and so you could become part of it by ignoring it. So don't ignore it. Always know that to be honest and forthright and address it. Don't put your head in the sand. And if you have questions, you can always call me and ask me at 312-664-6649. Remember now, if you're having tax problems, someone's coming after you, I have a book. It's called Deal with Your IRS Problem Today. That book is available. It's free. You see it on the screen there, freeirsbook.com. Go to freeirsbook.com, get a copy of my book, a free copy of my book, Deal with Your IRS Problem Today. We help people. We talked about fraudulent tax preparers. We help people with tax preparation. We're kind of unique in this area. We're not this. If you just got your tax returns done and somebody else did them for you, did they ask you questions about trying to save you money? Did they try to give you advice about how to structure your business in order to save money and taxes? Well, that's what we do, and that's what we're trying to help people do now. Go to freeirsbook.com, get a copy of my book, and then you'll get information about our new subscription service.